Today's episode is sponsored by Squarespace. Start your free trial today at squarespace.com/Mosico to get 10% off your first purchase.
Here, nestled in the hills, far from the busy city, lives an extraordinary family who'd had quite the life. However, this is not the story you remember. No. Ages ago, something happened that meant Goku's long-lost brother Raditz survived. He even went on to marry the fiery Launch and had 3 equally passionate children. Careful, Goku. Looks like you might have some competition.
Gotcha, Papa.
Not yet, you haven't.
Huh? Goten, over here. Huh? Hey!
For now, though, Earth is at peace, and we can all relax for a change. Then again, can you truly rest easy with Saiyans around? Probably not. But who knows?
Ah, Goten! Thinking of doing some training with your cousin, eh? Well, I should warn you. Ranch has been getting much stronger lately. Think you can keep up?
You bet! Dad has been showing me a few tricks of his own.
Oh, let me guess. Did he steal another attack? I swear he keeps wanting me to teach him the double Sunday. But there are some things brothers just don't share. And that's one of them.
Oh, come on, bro. Please? I taught you Super Saiyan. It's a fair trade.
I know! Like the last time you said that, Kakarot. And the time before that. I get it. You went Super Saiyan first.
Please stop trying to take my Papa's attacks. They're his.
Tell you what. If I fight you at Super Saiyan and you win, I'll stop asking. Deal?
Kakarot, that's hardly a fair deal. You're stronger than Ra. The point is that, well, the answer is no, Kakarot.
Fine. Well, I won't teach you the Kaioken.
Fine, that technique is pointless anyways.
Just you wait. It'll be useful someday, and you'll be wishing that I taught you.
As much as I would like to see you two compare your power levels, Goten and I are gonna go see Trunks. Is that okay, Papa?
Yes, but I want to see less of that backchat. You're talking to your father and uncle, after all.
Right. See you later, Papa. See you, Uncle Goku.
That Ranch is a smart cookie, I tell ya. She'll be a good fighter when she grows up.
And who says she'll be a fighter when she grows up? She might want to be like her mother.
What? Blonde?
What? Yes, Kakarot. Blonde.
A fusion of fancy. Trunks and Ranch join forces.
Goten, are all boys like that? Like what? Wanting to compare the size of their power levels?
I don't know. I just want to get stronger and have fun. Like that time we fused. That was awesome.
Yeah. Trust Trunks to go in and be the hero. All because he has a crush on me.
Don't you have one on him too or something?
What? No, I don't. I couldn't care what he thinks. He's just a silly boy. Silly boy. Yeah! A fusion was great. Did we settle on a name?
Yeah, Ronten. We could go Super Saiyan 2 and stuff. We kicked Boo's butt.
No way, Gotenks is better.
Huh?
Yeah, Goten and I totally make the best fusion. I'm surprised you even know how to do it.
Let me guess. It's because I'm a girl, isn't it?
Well, you weren't there, and Goku taught us, so we should know it better, okay?
I bet girls would make stronger fusions.
I bet boys would make stronger fusions.
I have an idea. Let's have a contest.
Huh?
Yeah, a contest to see which fusion is best.
Okay, winner gets an all-expenses-paid trip to Satanland.
Satanland? Oh boy!
Not just that, the winner gets access to our family's awesome penthouse suite, actually inside Mr. Satan's hair.
With hair that size, it must be huge.
You better believe it. You in, guys?
No way!
Mom, please. It'll be fine. I'll win. I've so got this. Don't you believe in me?
That's not the point! The point is that it's not yours to give. You should at least ask me before you go making offers like that. You're turning into your father. Tell you what, promise to go shopping with me one time.
What? No way.
Oh, I thought you wanted to wave your pride around and be the best. Guess your pride is nothing against the powers of shopping. Eh, sweetie?
Fine. I'll go shopping with you.
Okay, it's a deal.
Dad.
Trunks! What's the matter with you? You should have seen that coming! What do you want?
I was, wondering if you would help judge a contest of strength?
Strength, eh? I'm listening. Who else is judging?
Dad and Uncle Raditz.
Then forget it.
Huh? Why?
As if I would be anywhere near that clown Raditz. What would he know about fighting? I beat him, and that's all that matters.
Yeah, you needed someone to help you, though.
What was that, boy?
No, nothing.
Let me make this clear. I beat that clown with my own power. I didn't need any help from that shrunken bobblehead of a freak. Do you understand?
Got it.
Trunks!
How could you be so cruel to your son? What kind of father are you?
The kind of father who thinks his son should be training instead of fraternizing with weaklings. Now get out! You're interrupting my training.
A test of strength? Count me in.
But you haven't even heard what kind of test it is.
And it's about strength. Sounds fun.
Thanks, Dad. We're trying to see who has the best feet.